Hi friends, this is Sathvik Rao and welcome back to my channel. For more interesting stuff, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Friends, I'm back with another cool app named as Resso. Most of you know that what is Resso. In this video, I'm gonna tell what is Resso and how to use it and what's the use of it. So without any delay, let's begin! Music is more than simply placing and play in your musical app. Resso, a new musical app that lets you connect with the tracks in a more simpler way and exotic way. Resso is a cool app that has many themes which can attract any mindset of people. Music is an expression, music is a feeling. Music connects if you sing along with the music. Resso is here to fulfill your dream of singing along with the song. Here is a cool option in the Resso. It's named as automated lyrical scrolling. In this, the lyrics will be automatically scrolled on your screen along with the music, and you can sing your favorite song by singing at the lyrics along with the music at the same time. There is another interesting cool feature named as share your favorite songs to your friends, and whether you can know that whether they are interested in your music or not. For this, you have to create an album of your favorite song in Resso and you can share them to your friends. So without any delay, I'll show you how to use the Resso and what's actually in the Resso. Friends, Resso is already installed on my mobile and it's also available in both iOS and Play Store. Now I'll show you how to install Resso. Open Play Store and search for RESSO and click on search. You can see the Resso appears on the top of your screen. Then you have to click here install. I have already installed it, so now I'll open the app. Click on open. The Resso app will be open by asking you to sign up using two options. It's loading and it may take some while. You can see continue with Facebook or continue with Google. I'll continue with my Facebook account. I already registered Resso using my Facebook account, so it does not take much time to log in. If you are a new user, you have to access some of the terms and conditions that are applied by the Resso, and then you can get into the Resso app. You can see some song is displayed on my screen, and you can see the lyrics are displayed here. I should not play this content on my channel because I might get copyright strikes. When you play this song, automatically the lyrics will be played. I'll show you a music. I'll play you a music for you. Here you can see a music. Basically this music does not have any lyrics. So if you want to play, you have to click on the screen here. The music will be played at a higher quality and higher amplified sound. You can see here option named as vibe. Click on it. Then it will ask to add a vibe. Vibe is nothing but a picture on which the song is played. Then click on add vibe. Then you have to allow all the options. You can select any of your wished vibes. So I'll select some of the vibes from online section. I did not want to add any of from my phone gallery. You can add your wish, your photo or anything which is related to that song. So I'll add this and click on continue. So it loads and you have to click on OK. You can describe your vibe, but I'll not describe my vibe. If you want to set this vibe as your private, you need to turn on, but I need this vibe to be displayed to others, so then click on send button. Uploading may take some time. Yeah, it's uploaded. if anybody likes your vibe, they likes your vibe. You can see the vibe is displayed. You can see the vibe is displayed as well as the music is played. If you like the vibe or if you like the music, you can click the like here. You can add this to your playlist or you can queue it as you wish. Here are some options you can download. If you want to play the music until you sleep, you can add the sleep timer. If you want to hide the song, you can hide the song. If you want to see in which album is this song is situated, you can select the view album. You can also view the artist. You can feedback with the lyrics. If there any issue, you can report the vibes. You can add it to a new playlist. I have already 36 songs in my favorites. So that's Resso. There are lots of interesting stuff in the Resso. The deeper you go into the music, the deeper the world is there. Music connects every creature that is present on this environment. Music is divine. So, friends, enjoy with the Resso. I'll meet you later. Friends, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Friends, do follow me on Instagram. The Instagram ID is displayed on my screen and also mentioned in the description. And bye. Until then, keep smiling.